Hi traders, this is Aftab and you're watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 15th of January 2024 and the week will end on Friday 19th of January 2024. So I hope you must be doing very well and you must have made good profits last week. In this weekly Forex forecast video, I will be highlighting the key areas on different instruments and I will be sharing some of the trading plans with all of you. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts. So as you can see right now, I'm on the dollar index, and this week I have decided that I want to study the down rally of the dollar index. As you can see right here, from 2 weeks we are holding a buy position from 101.038, and currently the market is trading near 102.439. Last week it was a very fantastic one. Markets tried, like, it struggled to close above 102. So it will be the key highlight of today's forecast as well, because all of the analysis depends on this particular instruments, the dollar index. So first of all, I want to study this rally, and I just want to show you around that how this market and like how it dropped and how the sellers took advantage of this market. So first of all, if we see this rally started on Friday 14th of July 2023. Last year, you may remember, we traded this whole impulsive leg and it was a fantastic one. Then we have got this double top up there. Let me use my pen. I'm really sorry, last week I used pen in the last weekly forex forecast video, but it was not visible. So right here, if you see, we have got a very nice and fantastic move. And since then the market dropped. Market was supposed to bounce off from here. It did not. It gave us a drop, a retest, and we took a sell. Most of you will remember uh, partial positions closed right here and partial right here. From 102 till 105 I was clearly bullish, but half positions closed right here, half closed with a break even, as all of you know. So that was also a very good one. And since then I was expecting a double bottom right here, but we have got a break below. And as I have told you that if the market drops towards 101.038, I'm going to add buy positions. So 3 weeks ago, here we have entered into a buy position. Partial profits closed, stop loss moved to break even, and rest of the positions I'm keep holding towards 105. But stay with me in this analysis, because I have to discuss whether the market is going back up 105 or not. Why this 105 and 102 level are very much important for me is because all of these other instruments that you are or you must be trading, like the euro, gold, dollar CAD, pound dollar, pound yen, bitcoin, aussie CAD, aussie US dollar, any pair you pick it, will be purely depending on this break into 102.439. So let me delete everything and let's have a fresh look right here. Now, as I have explained last week, this dollar index is getting a little bit technical, and I was expecting a break into the structure last week. We did not get that, and that's why partial positions I have closed. If you have any open positions from here, from the previous weekly forex forecast video, then I will suggest close half of it, move stop to break even, and let the other run towards 105, or let it come back down and take us out from the market. Now let's have a look at it. First of all, if you see, it's going very nicely, and this is the current expected rally that I'm expecting. And from 104.500 I'm expecting sell setup from there. But stay with me, because I have to discuss it and I have to dig down. So let's have a look at the weekly time frame as well. And as the weekly suggests, if we see the weekly time frame, it clearly suggests that in the upcoming week this is going to follow 105 right here. But maybe in next 1 or 2 week in this month of January, if the market breaks in on a daily time frame, it will be a very fantastic opportunity for us to look to the buy side of the market. So last week it closed as an indecision candle, and whenever indecision candle occurs, or we see indecision candle in the market, what we usually do is we usually wait for the market to see further candles right here. So nothing on the weekly. On the weekly, this is clearly for long term bullish. On the daily time frame right here, if we see on the daily, will be we have got one level right here, and on the daily time frame this is clearly ranging, and I would like to change the color of these right here so that it can be easily spotted later next week. It is ranging between this 102 and this 102.078, and it is ranging in such a way that in the next upcoming week. And there is one more thing right here. If we see this breakout from the trend line, this is a very sharp downtrend, and it was supposed to bounce back off from 102. That's why market is spending time more than usual. Now remember, if it breaks this one, then the market is definitely going towards 100, and then 99.53 you can see this impulsive wave. So currently these bulls, and currently the buy trades we are taking and I am in right now, is against these sellers. So let's see in the upcoming week if we get 105 or not, but there is a strong opinion that it's going back up to 105.000, from where I will be looking for some sell opportunities, maybe from 105,617. These buying opportunities with a break even stop, I think keep holding it towards 105.617. That's not a very bad idea at all, because we have no risk in the market. Moving on to the dollar CAD right here, and on the dollar CAD, if we see on the dollar CAD right here, this one signal I gave in the group, it closed successfully in the previous week right here on Thursday. See, it hit the TP, and last week you may remember that this setup I shared with all of you, though it is a paid I shared this setup in a paid group, but anyways I shared it free of course with all of you. So the dollar CAD, it depends on the dollar index as well, and if we see the weekly time frame of it, the weekly, this is the second weekly candle that closed in bullish. So in the upcoming week we may see a little bit of drop, and after that I will be expecting a buy opportunity. So right here, this is the resistance level, and you can clearly see that I have 1.32668 from where I will be looking for a buy opportunity. If you are a sharp and experienced trader, and if you are following me for a long time, then I'm assuming that you must have got this buying opportunity from here as well. And if you are with me, you have got it from right here, 1.32668. If it drops towards 1.32668, I am going to add further buy positions. So let's see what it gives us in the future. Just give me 1 second. The computer is currently stuck, and I'm afraid I have, okay, it's working. I'm afraid that if it freezes, I have to restart the video from the beginning. Okay, pardon me for that. So if it drops right here 1.32668, then definitely I'm going to take a buy position towards 1.34427 and maybe beyond that. So let's see what it gives us in the upcoming week. Gold US dollar, if we see right here, it took a very nice bounce from right here, and this sell, you may remember, we took this buy, and it was not a very big buy, but those who trade, just it gave around it was on the 4-hour time frame. So let me show you that as well. On the 4-hour time frame right here, an entry right here, stopped right here below this line, and the TP was right here at this previous support. So it hit, and if we count the number of pips, so the entry was almost like right here, 337 pips. That's not a very bad trade, so I hope you must have got that as well. Now there is one thing that I want to discuss specifically. for this upcoming week. There is one thing, and it is clearly approaching 21.95 from where I'm looking for a sell opportunity. If we see this by 2016.798, you can check back my previous two weekly forex forecast videos. It was a very fantastic trade opportunity. So right here, I want to, in the upcoming week, I want to either look for a bullish opportunity right here, because on the gold this is clearly showing a bullish opportunity towards this price point. Now right here, 2124.467, their dollar is trying to re-enter into 102. If that occurs, this is going to drop. If it is rejected, and I'm seeing it is going to be rejected, in the previous week it is rejected. So let's see 2124.467 if we get that in the upcoming week or not. That is starting from Monday. So this trend line is playing out very nicely, and any break below this, a retest, and then I will be looking for a down towards the refresh story, from where this whole story will be reset. So this is gold, very simple, very simple, is bullish but rejected from a nice resistance zone. And there is one more thing. If it start to drops, definitely this 1979, 1980, from where I will be adding some buy positions, long-term buy positions, I mean to say. But this year just started, and the bulls, let's see, they may not be easily trying to take the market down towards 2124.467 from where the sell. And let's see what that gives us. Moving on to the euro US dollar, and right here on the euro US dollar, if we see, this is also playing very nicely. Right here, as you can see, it is very nicely playing right here. A very nice sell we took. I shared this sell, though it was a premium one, but still I shared it with all of you, and is playing very nicely. So I think it is the time for a fresh analysis on the euro US dollar. And I think I will be deleting all of this, so pay close attention, because I'm going to analyze it from the scratch. I have received so many comments. So first of all, if we see this downward rally on the monthly time frame, all the way from December 2020, the year of 2020, it is keep going down. And if I find there will be a Fibonacci number that is playing out very nicely, so I will be nicely highlighting this area. This is no doubt my strategy, a bounce from 618, 1.12479. Through these whole summers in July and August, I shared this particular sell setup with you for few months. It gave us very fantastic opportunities during this range. And if I add another Fibonacci, it should be showing us this 618. But I'm saying I'm adding one more, this level as well, because it was in the past a very nice support level as well. Now let's delete these lines, move on to the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, if we see, first of all, there was a very tiny trend line, and I will be highlighting this key area right here as a nice support, a fresh restart of the story. So if we see this weekly time frame, let's see if the market breaks into this structure or not. It breaks in, breakout, and then it breaks in, and is currently at a retest point. So let's see, this is a little bit more blurry right here. I will be trying to find out this head and shoulder pattern as well. Multiple retest right here, right here, right here, and right here. False breakout right here, false breakout up there, and the market is supposed to be coming back down in the upcoming few weeks. Moving on to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, if we see, there is a very fantastic trade opportunities. There will be two levels, and that level definitely is this one, 618, at a price of 107 300. I will be highlighting this area right here. Let's delete this Fibonacci, and this is now a very nice and fantastic trade opportunity for us. So for a sell, I think 1.1030 is going to be a very fantastic one, though on the H4, if we see, it has to like, it is already in this sell setup right here, so I will be showing you that as well. Right here on the H4, we have got a very nice previous breakout right here, and if the market drops to 108,799 can become a very nice weekly trade. This trade, you may remember, is a fantastic one as well. But this week I want to stay a little bit neutral, or maybe to the sell side of the market. Stops above 1.12479. Moving on to the pound dollar. This pound dollar is playing hide and seek game with me. Okay, so right here I'm holding this position, but I think it's not moving in my favor, so I will be giving a call very shortly, on maybe on Monday and Tuesday in the group, that to the members, that I want to leave this pound at this particular moment, because the bulls are not leaving it to go down further. And if it is not going down, definitely we will be having a huge stop loss. So I think I will be waiting for maybe Monday, and after that, Monday Tuesday, after that I will be trying to close the position. But this 1.23363 was actually a zone which I was trying to re-enter into this whole rally and want to join it, but the market maker seems to be not giving us that opportunity. But this is forex and it usually happens. Remember everyone, I have seen people who are always in a rush. I have members, I have students as well, whom I'm mentoring. So when they come to me, usually what are the common problems? And on the weekly forex forecast video, I have also got these questions from all of you, that you guys know that it is in your favor and it is giving you good profit, but that greed level, it's not letting you into the market. So in such situations, remember, if you are trading alone in the forex market, you will always be lost. Any trader who is trading solo, even if the trader has experience of 2 3 years, still if it is he or she is trading solo, I think can be lost very easily. So you need someone for advices, financial advices, and for that purpose, if you want, this is my WhatsApp number. If you want to contact me, you can contact me. You can join my group as well, where I will be making you a very profitable trader. And since 2016, you are watching me right here on the YouTube, and I'm sure enough you will become a very fantastic and profitable trader. But remember, if you go solo, if you trade alone, there will be no one who can tell you that, hey, stop, this is your perspective, this is my perspective. So you have to see the market with different perspectives as well, obviously. And the strategy part, in the one-on-one course, this particular strategy I will be teaching to all of you. And this strategy, like, I can give you the strategy, you can copy it, but trading it requires certain knowledge of trading with it. Very simple. It is no technicals, no huge complex charts. My charts are usually complex because I deal with the intraday traders, I deal with the day traders, I deal with the swing traders, all kind of traders. So that's why different levels on these charts. But if you want to trade just for yourself, this strategy will be helping you, and this is a promise, you will become a very profitable trader if you listen to me all of the time, because I will be your mentor. Whatever I will be saying will be for your good cause, because I cannot see people lose money. Money is earned very hardly and can be flushed right here very easily. So don't waste your money. Try to invest on a good course, not from me. The YouTube is full from mentors. You can join someone else, but you definitely need someone to consult with before taking any trade. Okay, so this is the strategy. I have shown you this once again, and I want to hide this WhatsApp number right here, so you can contact me. I will be available. Okay, moving on to the I also want to stay neutral on this pound US dollar right here, because it seems it's going to go up to 1.30909. Anyone who is looking for a buy opportunity, buying opportunity can be found very easily but obviously that will be risky, so personally I don't want to get involved in this pound dollar further. So let's see, any updates I definitely will be updating you about that. Pound yen, I have not discussed it in almost like a month, and it also re-entered into this zone. But these buy trades, the partial positions that we closed right here, to all of the members who are watching me right now, the partial positions closed, and I think move the stop to break even right here for the rest of the position. And if you are like, if you want to wait for this level 184.132, that will be good. If it rejects, we can make more profits toward 187.604, but if it breaks in, we can manually close the position and we can enter into a sell trade. So the profits we made, 10% of that we will be taking a risk of that on pound yen right here, going to drop, but is the blurry at this particular moment. New Zealand US dollar right here, long term, this is, you may remember that when it break in, it came down right here, we took a buy positions. You can check back my 14th November 2023. You can check back my weekly forecast videos that I uploaded in November. You will find this particular trade opportunity. So long-term traders, obviously those who took it, will be in huge profits, and this is currently standing at a very clear sell point. But the problem is it breaks in right here, and 0.66000 from where I will be looking for a sell opportunity. And the market definitely will be dropping towards this 618 right here. So it is going back up to 0.6 in the long run, 0.66000 from where I'm going to look for a sell opportunity. This will be a trend line as well, and I clearly see it's going back up to 0.66000 to retest this particular resistance level. Crude oil right here, you may remember we took this trade right here, and in the last week I have not seen much right here. Why I haven't seen anything right here is because first of all, this we entered and it gave just this much profit, but the target is obviously 78.18. So I'm looking for that, from where I will be looking for a fresh sell opportunity towards 73.43, and the target definitely will be 82.17 and 83.32. with a 3 drafts patterns it will be completed, and this impulsive wave is still pointing up, this is pointing up, and none of them is completed at the moment. This was pointing up, we traded it, we made this much profit from it. So then it dropped, we made this much profit from it, but the full target is not yet met. So it may take maybe 2-3 further weeks. In the upcoming week, 78.18, I'm looking for a sell opportunity towards 73.24. Moving on to the dollar yen, this is very favorite pair of mine, and 146.349, I gave this particular sell from where I'm expecting the market to be dropping towards this zone right here, 618, 142.80, and from here I will be looking for a further buying opportunity towards 146, once again 145, and then another trade opportunity towards 147 and 146. These two trade opportunities the dollar yen is giving me at the moment. So I think this is going to be a very fantastic trade opportunity, and it is going to drop towards 142.801. if it breaks in above 146.349, then definitely it will be continuing its upward rally. But remember, this market has to go and retest 147.505, and then it will be decided whether it want to go further up towards 152 once again during the year, or it wants to take a bounce from there and then continue its rally down towards 136. So let's see what we get. The computer is again freezed, and I'm not sure why. So I will be okay, it's now again working. I think the graphics card needs to be replaced very soon. So dollar yen, I think this is very simple. Aussie US dollar again last week and the week before that, this sell was discussed, gave good profits 0.66537. Check back my previous videos. Is retested from where we are going to take a buy towards 0.7000, you can say, right? Very fantastic one it is, but it may definitely spend some time, and if it breaks into this trend line, let me zoom out the chart a little bit, then it seems a little bit more downward really, from where it's okay if we add some risk right here on Monday onwards. This will be something like this, maybe like this, and the take profit can be up to this. So slightly better than 1:1. Very fantastic opportunity it will be, and try to understand my strategy, then trading it will be a piece of cake for you. So I think most of the pairs I have discussed. If you want any specific pairs, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number that is showing on the screen. And unfortunately, the OBS studio is not responding. I'm very sad about it, because I was supposed to go somewhere, and if this stops, that will be very bad. Okay, it's working. So before this video interrupts, I will highly recommend to wind up this whole session today, and we will meet next week. If you have any questions, you can leave them, and try to trade very safely. Money is earned very hardly. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.